Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Farm Community. It is your host. Today we're going to be diving down into the Icy Unicorn. And I have to admit, ladies and gentlemen, that this project is actually very unique compared to other NFTs. It actually stands out a lot. Not only that, but the benefits are extremely important. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So as you guys can see, we got the Icy Unicorn. We actually have a lot of different NFT animations that are kind of popping up here. And you guys can see with this artwork is definitely like top of the line, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, get a look at the unicorns, right? Get a look at the horns here. Not only that, get a look at the hair. Get a look at the styles. Get a look at the different facial expressions. Some of them got grills. Some of them got chains, some of them got some diamond skin, some of them got different colors of fur, different eyes. This is definitely part of top of the line art, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think we're going to be seeing any other ones like this. And I have to let you guys know that if you purchase one of these NFTs, you're actually going to be able to get a physical, listen here, you guys, you're actually going to be able to get a physical unicorn statue, which is pretty dope in my own personal opinion. So the overall vision, whenever it comes to this project, okay, it is Icy Unicorns. This is a community-oriented fashion brand specializing exclusively in NFT jewelry. Their mission, it is to create physical NFT wearables. We believe that NFTs can be part of our daily lives by how we choose to dress. Interesting, guys. Very, very, very interesting. And after that, we got the Icy Unicorns data. So right here, it shows that there's going to be a total of 5,555 Icy Unicorns. The price is going to be at 0.25 Ethereum. So let's actually take a look at that real quick. So whenever it comes to Ethereum, the price is hovering right around $1,110. So if we actually just go ahead and do the math here, $1,110, we're going to multiply that by 0.25. So the overall price here is going to come out to $277. Now I have to admit, ladies and gentlemen, I love the artwork for this project, right? $277 seems kind of expensive right out the gate. I wonder whenever it comes to whitelisting if you can actually get a cheaper price, but I guess we'll find out here in just a little bit. So whenever it comes to the Icy Unicorns, the date is to be announced. So we're waiting for that important information. Founders, it looks like there is a total of 4. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's going to be a total of 4, which is good. All right, now if we continue to the downside, you guys can see where it shows NFT wearables. Now, I got to make this clear, you guys. Any type of project, at least any type of NFT that I have seen, I have never seen one give something out to every single minter, which is important. So the fact that they're taking this stride or going this far, it's very, very important, right? It shows a lot of hard work, shows a lot of dedication from the team, and a lot of authenticity. So right here, we got Icy Unicorns is developing creative and fashionable solution for proud NFT holders to showcase their NFT collection. So this is a unicorn, an Icy Unicorn NFT chain, which is currently in development and will be available in our online shop soon. So stay tuned, unicorns. And as far as I know, whenever it comes to these chains, that technically these should be ready, if I'm correct, by the end of the year. All right, so got a few months to go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited to see actually what they're going to look like on their website. So all minters win. So every minter will get a physical Icy Unicorn statue. So as we stated, you guys, that's awesome. The height of the statue will be a total of 25 centimeters. Join the Discord to get your whitelist spot. Most of the NFTs will be sold in the public sale. So we got to be part of that. Diving down into the launch, we got the launch date will be announced soon. Navigate to the FAQ section to find out how to get into the whitelist. So if we take a look, you guys can actually see they have a detailed roadmap. So with some important information. So for example, like development of the IC Unicorns project, team building, art design, homepage, and strategy, launch on a well-known launchpad, identify every minter for the IC Unicorn statue, production start of the 5,555 physical IC Unicorn statues. Shipment will be end of Q3. So remember earlier I stated that 25.25 Ethereum seems expensive. Well, I guess that they're going to be working hard, especially making these physical statues. I mean, I could definitely see that going into the cost. So with that being said, not just getting the NFT, but also a statue and a chain. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, makes good sense. 275, I think that's a good price. If we go ahead and continue, you guys can see right here, we got launch of the IC Unicorns online store, building a community-owned wallet for our future investment in IC Unicorn infrastructure, development of IC Unicorn sandbox game, interesting. Then we got voxel IC Unicorns will also be available. And last but not least, we got next drop of IC Unicorns with a physical item for all minters. So we got the IC Unicorn Season 2. So I like that, you guys. So diving down into the IC Unicorns team, you guys can see we have Armin, which is right here. We got Barak. Then after that, we got Dawood. Then we got Yazir. So looks like they are all doxed here. So they got the Instagram and they got the Twitters here. Let's actually take a look at this one really quick. So Kid, looks like he's got a total of about 10,000 followers. Loves fighting, making videos, designing NFTs. Looks like he's actually the founder of IC Unicorns and Collectize. Interesting. I don't know anything about that one. But you guys can see it's just, looks like we only got about six pictures here, it looks like. Let's see if we have any reels or any videos. Looks like we got a couple. So, yeah, seems good that at least he's got some information here. Same thing with these guys as well. So here's the art and content creation, marketing, release management, and then social media management. If we continue down, you guys can see we got the FAQs, like IC Unicorns, right? Then we got another one on here. Can I get an IC Unicorn? How do I get in Discord, right? Utility behind IC Unicorns. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, definitely pretty excited to see what this project is going to bring. Now, if we go ahead and continue, you guys will see that they do have a Twitter. I'm going to highly recommend that you follow them. Currently got a total of 12.3K followers. They joined in January. Let's take a look at some of these tweets. So in the near future, unicorns will change your life. Come to Unicorn Island. I would love to see that. So you guys can actually see a lot of interaction here. About 297 hearts there. A lot of retweets. Continuing on, let's see if there's any here. Yeah, same thing, about 105. Same thing, another retweet. Let's see what else we got. So yeah, a lot of engagement, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you guys are part of the Twitter so you guys can be updated on the latest announcements, right? And if you guys haven't, they do have a link tree. So you can check this out. Most likely be down below to the downside, but I want you guys to click on Discord. Once you guys get to the Discord, this is what's going to pop up here. Obviously, we got some IC Unicorns. I want to see what's going to be on these chains. I want to see their store. That's what I would like to see. So continuing on, you're going to have to verify yourself. Very important that once you guys verify yourself, that you go and check out all of these rooms here. Okay, so obviously, like, we got a general chat. So you guys can see that there's a lot of people here. If you'd like to, just say hello, what's up, what's poppin', whatever you'd like to do. You can say whatever you'd like. If we go and continue, you guys can see like they have sneak peeks. A lot of different cool sneak peeks here. This one actually looks pretty dope. Make sure you guys go give these some flames, some hearts and stuff. Yeah, a lot of these look pretty cool, ladies and gentlemen. All right. And if you guys would like to, I would highly recommend that you take the opportunity to be part of the whitelist, right? So they got announcements, social media, whitelist. Whitelist is going to be very important. Okay, now if you guys would like to get whitelisted, you got to follow these steps. So for example, reach level 4 in our Discord. So by staying active, so just leave a whole bunch of comments, you know, in the general, right? Talk to people and stuff. You get level 4, which means you're being active. Also states that you can check your rank right here. Number 2, follow Icy Unicorn on social media platforms, so Twitter. They also have their own Instagram. You can check that out as well. Put this in the front of your name, Icy. Okay, well, I guess they want you to do that as well. And then number 4, after all these steps, open a ticket and claim your whitelist spots. A team member will give you a Icy whitelist spot. So you guys can actually see there's quite a few over here, okay? They'll also ask you to give your ETH address so they can whitelist you. Please provide all the screenshots of each step. So interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting. It doesn't state that you get any type of discount, at least at the moment. It doesn't really tell us as far as I know. So it'll never be easy as phase 1. Get into our whitelist so you don't take this opportunity lightly. So we have 5 phases. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, and speaking of that, you know, since we're doing this video for them, I want to go ahead and let you know that you guys have an opportunity to win 10 whitelist spots, okay? All you have to do is just engage with this video. Like, leave some comments down below to the downside, you know, just leave some comments, just be like whitelist or, you know, crypto farm is legit, or I love Icy. Just leave some comments down below, anything about the project if possible, all right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, they got a lot of people that they are connected to. They got a lot of big YouTubers who are on, you know, on board. Not just YouTube, but people like Instagrammers, Twitters, a lot of people. All right. So, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, be ready because the time is coming. You guys can see right up here, we got shop. You know, once the time comes, you're going to be able to check that out. Same thing with mint. Once the time comes, you're going to be able to mint. So, other than that, you guys have a beautiful day. We will see you in our next video, and ciao.